Digital marketing is always evolving. In today's fast-paced world, staying updated with the latest trends and technologies is crucial for success. The landscape of digital marketing is not static. It continuously shifts and transforms, demanding businesses to be agile and forward-thinking. Businesses need to adapt to stay ahead. Onpassive offers a solution that is both innovative and effective. By leveraging cutting-edge technology, Onpassive provides tools and strategies that help businesses navigate the complexities of the digital world. It's a new approach to digital marketing. This approach is designed to maximize efficiency and drive growth, ensuring that businesses can reach their full potential in the digital space. Onpassive uses the power of artificial intelligence, or AI, and this sets it apart from traditional methods. AI is revolutionizing the way we understand and implement digital marketing strategies, making processes more intuitive and results-driven. AI allows for automation and optimization, leading to better results for businesses. Automation streamlines tasks, reducing manual effort and increasing productivity, while optimization ensures that marketing campaigns are fine-tuned for maximum impact. Onpassive is more than just a platform. It represents a shift in how we approach digital marketing. This shift is about embracing technology to create smarter, more efficient marketing strategies that deliver real results. It's about working smarter, not harder. By utilizing advanced tools and technologies, businesses can achieve more with less effort, allowing them to focus on what truly matters: growth and innovation. Onpassive empowers businesses to thrive in the digital age. With its comprehensive suite of AI-driven tools and solutions, Onpassive is paving the way for a new era of digital marketing success. But before we continue, please remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. Thanks. Onpassive leverages AI in all its tools, creating a seamless integration of advanced technology into everyday business operations. This gives it a significant edge over traditional marketing methods, which often rely on outdated techniques and manual processes. AI analyzes vast amounts of data in real time, helping to identify trends and patterns that would be impossible for humans to detect quickly. These insights are then used to optimize campaigns, ensuring that marketing efforts are both efficient and effective. Targeting becomes more precise, allowing businesses to reach the right audience at the right time, and customer experiences become highly personalized. This all leads to increased engagement and conversions, driving business growth and success. AI also automates repetitive tasks, freeing up businesses to focus on strategic initiatives and creative problem-solving. Tasks like email marketing and social media management become effortless, allowing teams to concentrate on more impactful activities. Onpassive's AI works tirelessly in the background, ensuring that your business runs smoothly and efficiently, so you don't have to worry about the details. The benefits of using Onpassive are numerous. Businesses experience increased efficiency and productivity. Marketing campaigns become more targeted and effective. Onpassive also offers cost savings. By automating tasks, businesses reduce their reliance on manual labor. This translates into lower operational costs and higher ROI. Another key benefit is scalability. Onpassive grows with your business. Whether you're a startup or an enterprise, Onpassive can accommodate your needs. Section 4. Your Digital Toolkit, Onpassive's Solutions. In today's fast-paced digital world, having the right tools at your disposal is crucial for business success. Onpassive provides a comprehensive suite of tools designed to streamline and enhance your business operations. These tools cover all aspects of digital marketing, from strategy development to execution and analysis. Businesses can build professional websites with ease, ensuring a strong online presence that attracts and retains customers. Sales funnels can be created to guide leads through the sales process, optimizing conversion rates and boosting sales. Email marketing campaigns can be automated and personalized, allowing for targeted communication that resonates with your audience. Social media management becomes a breeze with Onpassive's tools, enabling you to schedule posts, engage with followers, and analyze performance effortlessly. Onpassive also offers a robust CRM system that helps you manage customer relationships effectively. This system not only improves customer retention, but also provides valuable insights into customer behavior, helping you tailor your services to meet their needs. Section 5. Join the movement Onpassive's community. Onpassive is more than just a platform, it's a community. Thousands of businesses have already joined the Onpassive movement. They are experiencing unprecedented success. Real-life success stories are a testament to Onpassive's effectiveness. Businesses of all sizes are achieving their goals with Onpassive. Join Onpassive today and transform your digital marketing. Experience the power of AI and take your business to new heights. For more information about Onpassive, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a very awesome day.